hold it over there so she
can have
it takes her a while to figure out that she has a tongue.
Ew. She knows she has a tongue. Ooh, yummy.
Lillian.
Don't shove it in her mouth. Let her take a lick.
Lily's eating it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Like you need to clean it up with your tongue a little bit. You need to lick the outside so it doesn't trip everywhere. Now lick this part. The ice cream part on the outside.
Do you like that ice cream, Lily?
Okay, go ahead and give her another little try.
Lily, what do you think?